if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem?
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is another fall video and I am going to show you guys how I am putting a garland in between my doorway, between the foyer and my dining room. Now, I've seen this on Instagram, I've seen it on YouTube, but my inspiration came from this restaurant in New York City and it's called Tavern on the Green. I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but if you haven't, you can look it up. It is absolutely beautiful. It is amazing. It is surrounded by florals, and there are times when they do like these huge floral decoration, and it's like for weddings or huge events, and the way that they have it decorated is just absolutely beautiful. And so I took my inspiration from there and I kind of ran with it a little bit. So I am just wrapping some Christmas garlands around the little pole here. Actually, this is a shower curtain rod, you guys, and let me tell you about the shower curtain rod. It gave me the business. Y'all will see in the middle of the video, y'all will see all the stuff that I experienced with the shower curtain rod, but it gave me the business, you guys. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the zhuzhing up and add all the stems to it, and I'm gonna let the video play. I'm gonna let the music play, and for you guys to just enjoy the video. I'm gonna be jumping in and out here and there, just to kind of let you guys know what I'm going to be doing next.
Suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too.
So now I'm going to go ahead and put all the beautiful things on there. So y'all know I'm going traditional. I don't want to use like too bright of the oranges. I'm trying to stay like muted and moody. Once this is all done, it's going to give you that moody and muted feeling, because I'm kind of just merging so many different stems and pieces together to give me the look that I am going for. Again, my theme for this fall is autumn in New York, and so I wanted this to just completely resemble what the outdoors looks like. So some of these stems I got from Walmart, like the ones that I'm holding. I got them from Walmart, and it was 3 for $5, I believe it was, or 3 for $3.98. And then all the other stems I got from Dollar Tree, and some stems I already had from like years ago from Amazon. So it's just a mixture of different colors. Also, you're gonna notice me going from the dining room to the foyer, from the foyer to the dining room. The reason for that is because it's a double-sided creation, and so I wanted the dining room to look completely different from what the foyer looks like, but still kind of have that same tonality and that same feel that I'm going for. But in my dining room, I kind of wanted it to have more of the burgundies and the greens, and then in the foyer is more of the muted and burnt orange and mustard yellows and browns and things like that. But I kind of wanted them all to, everything to just be cohesive and merge all the colors together. And so I just love the way that this turned out. It was my first time doing anything like this, y'all, and it was absolutely breathtaking. Now, Instagram and Pinterest and YouTube, they all make this look so easy. It was not, okay? I mean, this thing fell down so many times. As you can see, I'm struggling. All my flowers is falling out because I'm struggling. By the way, do not mind my armpits, y'all. I did not shave, and I do apologize for you guys seeing that, but you know, it's been a week. I'm actually sick when I'm filming this video, but I needed to get it up because I didn't have enough time throughout the week to get it done. And so please excuse my armpits. I promise you I do shave, but I just did not have the strength, the time, or even the want to. And it gets like that sometimes. So now that I got it up finally, as you can see, I had to screw in some kind of hooks into my beautiful wall molding, but it's okay. I finally got it up, and now it's staying. It is secure, it is safe, it won't fall down on anyone. And now I'm just putting back all the flowers that fell out. Let me tell y'all, this is my first time doing anything like this. I normally do this type of big extravaganza type of creation on my fireplace mantle, and believe me, that's coming up. But y'all, this just was so breathtaking, and I just love the way that it looks. I am definitely going to be doing it every single year for fall, but kind of changing it up, with the design style and everything. But I just love the way that this turned out, y'all. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off all the tags off the flowers because, I have a tendency to leave them on. And so I just love the way that it turned out. I love all the colors. I love the festiveness of it. I love the just the stems, everything, the whimsy, which is what I was going for, festive and whimsical and colorful and beautiful, and just, oh my gosh, against like my white trims and the creamy walls, it just looks absolutely amazing. And let me tell y'all, at night, it does light up. I have the little tea lights in there, and it does light up, and it looks absolutely stunning, okay? I can't wait for y'all to see the house tour, fall house tour. It's going to be absolutely amazing when you guys see it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that y'all took some tips away from this video and got inspired. You can decorate on a budget. You can make a low end stem or low end garland look so high end by putting a little bit of elbow grease and creativity to it, and get the look that you're going for. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about this creation, if you're gonna try it yourself. It's harder. For me, it was harder. I don't know if it was just the shower curtain rod. Maybe it was, I don't know what it was, but it was a little bit more difficult than I thought. But I still love the way that it turned out, and everybody in my home just loves it so much. So I will see you guys next time. Thank y'all so much for watching, and yeah, enjoy, you guys. Enjoy your week. Bye.
For me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without